Alright, Jordan, this is a little quick tutorial video for you. I wanted to get something done for you and stuff. So, in class I gave everyone a little piece of paper like this. And actually it was just blank, and then I had them fill it out. So it just has to do with two sides, a lot of the different formulas that we're going to be using for the problems that we're going to be doing in class. We got speed, which is just a distance divided by time for our first formula. Some examples are just miles per hour, feet per second, millimeters per minute, different things like that. And just the shorthand of it is S equals D over T. And then velocity is simply just speed, which is what we just talked about, with a direction. So it's just distance over time, but east, west, up, down, north, south, different things like that. And here's some things, and we'll go over an example that'll make this little cheat sheet a little bit better and easier to understand. Then we've got the bolded terms on page 211. It's actually just a sentence or two that describes velocity a little bit more with approaching or moving apart. Then we flip it over. Then we have acceleration is just the rate of time of change of an object's velocity. The acceleration is equal to the final velocity, or the end of velocity when it stops, minus the initial velocity, which is the velocity for when you actually start the calculations, and that's going to be divided by time. And this is how I remember doing it in high school. So the final velocity minus the initial velocity over time is the acceleration. And that's going to be measured in a couple examples, feet per second squared or meters per second squared. And then here's another one that we didn't use in class last week, but we are going to be using it in class this week. It's just to figure out the distance is half multiplied by the acceleration multiplied by the time squared. So I'm going to do a couple other videos with these examples on this page, just so you can kind of see and hear me explain how to do them and stuff. So hope you enjoy. We'll see you in a little bit.